Hello, my name is Harry Hutchinson. I am chairperson of the People's Dáil or Assembly.
Hello, my name is Jacqueline Keenan. I'm the new secretary of the People's Assembly Dáil.
Hello, I am Keevan Lynchy and I am PRO of the Tyrone People's Dáil.
This is a very historical development here today. For the first time, perhaps anywhere for a very, very long time, is that the people have come together here to set up a new assembly, a new Dáil for the area of South Tyrone. The aim of this is to raise the issues amongst activists in the local area and to take these campaigns and challenge the whole establishment of capitalism. This is just the beginning. We want this Dáil up and functioning now and to spread right across the north of Ireland and right throughout the south of Ireland. Hopefully many other areas will follow our example.
You've been working in Greencastle. You're from Greencastle.
Oh,
Just say that, will you?
I'm from Greencastle, County Tyrone.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm working with Loughney Anti-Petroleum Drilling Group, and we will be working on direct action and trying to stop these companies from drilling, taking inspiration from groups like Greencastle and groups all around Ireland.
Okay, well, you three of you just tell us good luck from the three of you.
Good luck.
Good luck.
Good luck, Amor.